Hello friends, you are welcome at YouTube channel of Chameli Devi Institute of Pharmacy, Indore. Today we will discuss flavonoid containing crude drugs. This slide covers outlines for this topic. So first of all we will discuss introduction of flavonoids. After that we will discuss flavonoid containing crude drugs. So here we will discuss three drugs: lignans, tea and ruta. Now we will discuss the introduction of flavonoids. So the term flavonoids is derived from Latin word flavus and its meaning is yellow. So large number of the flavonoids are yellow in color, and these are the largest group of naturally occurring secondary plant metabolites, and these are phenolic compounds, and these are the plant pigments and copigments, and these are responsible for color and their combination of bark, root, fruits, leaves, seeds, etc. And these are commonly found in various families like Rutaceae, Polygonaceae, Leguminosae and Umbelliferae. Now we will discuss first flavonoid containing crude drug, and it is lignans, and this term is given by Haworth in 1948, and these are secondary plant metabolites which are responsible for formation of lignin in cell wall of plants, and these are found in various common foods like grains, nuts, seeds, vegetables and drinks like tea, coffee and wines. Now we will discuss chemical constituents which are present in lignans. So these are phenolic compounds and they have dibenzyl butane ring in their structure, and these lignans can be converted into different types of compounds like enterolignans, enterodiol, enterolactone by the presence of intestinal bacteria, and they have different types of biological activities like specific estrogen receptor activation and anti-inflammatory activity. Now we will discuss various therapeutic uses of lignans. So they have antioxidant, antiviral, anti-tumor, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory activities. They also have immunosuppressive, hepatoprotective activities and also used in osteoporosis prevention. Now we will discuss second flavonoid containing crude drug, and it is tea. So synonym of tea is chai, Camellia sinensis, green tea and black tea. Now we will discuss biological source for tea. So it is obtained from leaf or its buds of Thea sinensis, which is belonging to Theaceae family. Now we will discuss geographical source. So it is found in Southeast Asia, found in Sri Lanka, in India, basically in Assam and in China. Now we will discuss morphological characters of tea. So it is very small tree or shrub which have a yellow color flowers, and the size of flowers are 2.5 to 4 centimeter in diameter, and they have 7 to 8 petals, and the leaves are green in color, and these are 4 to 15 centimeter in length and 2 to 5 centimeter in width, and the older leaves are deep green in color. Now we will discuss chemical constituents. So tea has different types of chemical constituents like theobromine, theophylline, caffeine, tannins as well as volatile oils. Now we will discuss various therapeutic uses of tea. So it has a strong antioxidant as well as free radical scavenging properties due to the presence of caffeine with various polyphenolic compounds. It also has a anti-tumor and anti-cancer activities. It also helps in treatment of blindness during diabetes. It also lowers the risk of cardiovascular diseases, and the green and black tea also helps to protect against obesity, and it also helps to treatment of Alzheimer's diseases. Now we will discuss third flavonoid containing crude drug, and it is a ruta. The synonym of ruta is rui or rui oil. It is also called sadab or satab. Now we will discuss biological source of ruta. It is obtained from leaves and stem of Ruta graveolens, which is belonging to Rutaceae family. And now we will discuss geographical source. So it is found in India, China and South America. Now we will discuss morphological characters of ruta tree. So it is a small tree and it has a yellow color flowers with green leaves. Now we will discuss microscopic characters. So the TS of stem of this ruta tree shows the various types of structure like sclerenchyma. Vessels are arranged in radial shape, and pith cells also consist with calcium oxalate crystals and also has cortex and pith cells. Now we will discuss various chemical constituents which are present in ruta tree, and these are flavonoid compounds like rutin, quercetin, sorrelin, methoxysorrelin, rutacridone epoxide, etc. It also consists alpha-pinene, limonene, cineol, and these are essential oils which are present in ruta tree. Now we will discuss various medicinal uses of ruta tree. So it is used as a stimulant, antispasmodic, stomachic, irritant and abortifacient. Now it is used in treatment of cough, colic and flatulence. Now it is used in menorrhea and colic, and it is externally used in sciatica, headache, muscular chest pain, bronchitis and arthritis. Thank you so much friends for listening these slides, and I hope these slides will be beneficial to all of you for information regarding various crude drugs which is containing flavonoids.